Yep. It's simple things. Now all we need is a pin. Okay.
Okay.
If it was over water, I'd probably dropped it in the water.
Yeah.
Walt's got this all tighten this.
I don't know, we just gotta go around. In each corner, what do you want? Okay, flip it up, right? Oh,
That was
hello!
What are you working on?
Turning a quick release door into a dog door for the flying bridge.
Gotcha.
Placing the rotten door that's up there with this one off the old USS Gauge.
Yeah, that thing's given an awful lot.
Gauge?
Yeah.
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 I think we went down, we got 6 doors out of it. And
Yeah.
we had to haul them up from like 3 or 4 decks below. Poor Angelo was on the bottom of the ladder.
Oh, he was working them?
These things kept catching in the ladder. And Angelo was down there trying to, and we're
Yeah.
hauling up with him.
Yeah, what I think all of the museum ships have something from the Gauge at this point.
Yeah.
So I came in and I found a future project. You're waiting. You can see the small amount of oil here and back there. And I cleaned it up a bit. This was all red. And what that's coming from is the governor. And the governor, as you may be aware, is what controls the engine speed while it's running. And this knob here just adjusts the tension on the spring. I think it's called the compensating spring. And if you look down in here, now the oil level is supposed to be up to those cap screws, just that flathead you see. And then the seal down there has given up. And so, if you look down, I'm trying to get the light level correct here. Let's see. Right down there you can see the oil level. And that is right above where this portion of the case meets the bottom portion. Those cap screws need to come out. The linkage needs to be taken apart. And then the top portion of the case needs to be lifted up. That seal will be redone. Then we'll close it back up. Fill it back up with oil up to the recommended oil level. And then we should be good for a few more years.